In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change character in LEGO Batman 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly swap between all of the characters available in the LEGO Batman 3 roster. The roster is quite extensive, and you might want to play certain levels as certain characters and see how they work and how they play. So, for you to swap between any of the characters available in LEGO Batman 3, all that you have to do is either press U if you are on PC, press triangle if you are on PlayStation, or press Y if you are on Xbox. By pressing and holding one of these buttons, you will bring up the wheel, and in there you will be able to choose from any of the characters in the roster. Keep in mind that if you try to do this during story mode and it doesn't appear for whatever reason, it usually indicates that you have to finish that level or that you will only be able to do it in free play. LEGO Batman 3 has some limitations when it comes to switching characters, so when you are still going through the campaign for the first time, you have to first swap to a different character by using one of the terminals around each location, which can be a bit hard to find, and once you have used one of these terminals, then you will be able to hold triangle, Y, or U to change character, as well as using the bumpers to select them. Once you have beaten the main campaign, these terminals will disappear and you will be able to change characters whenever you wish. But to actually answer the question in the title of this video, all that you have to do to actually find the character menu and swap between them is to hold U, triangle, or Y depending on your platform. Then use the bumpers if needed on your controller to select between the characters available in that list. It is a very extensive list, and some of these characters will have special costumes as well that you can swap between by holding the same button. I hope I was able to help you on how to change character in LEGO Batman 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.